Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga kam jungok kai perthei kejela uba po Lyngdoh mendak sni ke khat atari unok pra harjar pesa ula plepat ba ya ke Tamasa Winter Tales Hawards Lake Shillong haba Jingtrei syaki ba uba pol ula banjur ke jenan kam ban rakhi ya jaka bekerpang jong ke Meghalaya kentup ke jing internet jong ke Mariang ki Jingtrei bat ki kam shnadar ke jing penlong ya ke Winter Tales harjar arpesau haga sien ke basan ke de halor ke phang ke jing renti lani balance kebapen i ke jing ang nuat jong ke jela ban Pynneh Pynshah ke kam jong kai perthei uba po Lyngdoh ula pun pau ke jing sngo sarong halor ke jing roi jong ne ke Tamasa ha ke ba menta ke pen i ki nong trekti ki nong thanjan bat ki nong seng kam seng jam na barok ki khat atli ke district jong ke jela Meghalaya gani ke Tamasa ke gentiu ki jing thmu ki bede bat ke Mariang kentup ke jing penya pher ki jabo bat ke Mariang ke ba klem plastik ki nong wan jong kai ki la ban yo mat ki jing bam jong ke than ki jing roi bat ki jing shnakti katba ki la ru ban shimenta ha ki jing lang bat ki jing kran uba po Lyngdoh ula ai khoble ke gunhun bat e barok ki badan benta ban penlong ye ke Tamasa ke ba job ula pen benaru ba ke jela Meghalaya kan se shimenta ha ke Tamasa ke ba he ba ha Gujarat ha ubnai rempang ha usnam banwan ha ke ba an ithu ye ke jela nak benta ban kentiu ye ke green tourism.
We have Batliya Kaur on stage. Come on, these are our own children, our own locals. So come on, give them a round of applause. Un sabet hujan. We also have Pynshah. Request the winners to kindly come a little bit forward so that you can move a bit quickly. Pynshah lang well rong thong, Miss well rong thong. The winner. These were the winners of the photography category. A round of applause for our... And we also have the third winner in our sustainability self-pitch. Might I remind all of you that these are all winners. These are not first, second and third. Lady
it's to inspire people who see me and ask me like, why am I green? So I can tell them it's for me to show you that even you can go green and be sustainable and help the environment.
Okay.
I want to spread the message of being joyful, being cheerful, helping each other out, and also the most important thing that involves with this festival is to be sustainable and to look out for the environment. Like be clean, huh? Like keep your neighbors' environment clean, help each other be cheerful and be happy in a cleaner environment.
And what?
Aren't you old to be asking for gifts? I will give you gifts. On Christmas Day, under your Christmas trees, you will get gifts.
A long, almost continuous process of us engaging together in celebrating Meghalaya's USPs, which are our nature, our music, and the arts. So when I was in Garo Hills and heard Europe singing the final countdown, I thought that was the end of the show. But then Bryan Adams came and reminded us that there's still a night to remember. And today we're here to celebrate the 5th edition of Winter Tales 2024. And although Bryan Adams has left, Brian Walang is still here with his choir to add color to this year's Winter Tales, whose theme is balance. And I'm happy to say that we have Meghalaya's tourism has arrived and the rest of the world has come to acknowledge that. Can you beat it? Yesterday's tickets for Ed Sheeran's concert in Shillong sold out within 5 minutes. That itself is a record. And it just shows how much there is space, how much there is talent, and how much our growth trajectory has been as a state. We're proud that a state and this event, Winter Tales, which as Kong Rita had mentioned earlier on, started off in a very humble way. Today attracts artisans, arteliers, and weavers from all across the 12 districts of the state. This is nothing short of miraculous, and I would thank our team, our director in the department, Basil Lyngdoh, Robert Lyngdoh and his team, Dakti, and everyone who has shown that teamwork works. And as we get closer to the season of Christmas, I'm sure that the green Santa you just saw and the greenery around us should remind us about responsible tourism. And I share this with a lot of pride that in the month of February next year, Meghalaya will be part of a major tourist festival in Gujarat where we will be given recognition for us having promoted green tourism. This is not an occasion for a long lecture, but I wish each one of you the most beautiful, rewarding Christmas season. Let us do our part in ensuring that we optimize whatever God has given us and pay back in return to what God has given to this land by doing our bit in every possible humble way, small, big, or in whatever capacity we are gifted to deliver. With these few words, thank you, and I declare Winter Tales 2024 inaugurated. Thank you, Kublai Mithela.